Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra 5G. Hold the volume down and power keys simultaneously until the power off option appears. Then select it. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds until the Samsung logo appears. Release all buttons when the recovery mode screen appears. Use the volume keys to navigate and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. Within the Wipe Data or Factory Reset menu, choose the Factory Data Reset option. Once the factory reset is confirmed, select Reboot System Now using the power button. Acknowledge that all data will be removed during this process. Wait for the reset process to complete. Now your tablet will be reset to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.